Hello and welcome to Instrucart, your worldwide instrument partner. We have this clean room phone which is designed and a good utility for the clean rooms, pharmaceuticals. Now the problem statement is that many a times during the intercom, or if you have to communicate between one room to another, you don't have a medium. Sometimes you don't have the phone which can be carried inside the clean room, which is of a higher standard, and that's how this clean room phone could be a right solution, where you can fix this in the room, outside the room, and you can use this as an intercom. This clean room phone, aesthetically you can fix it in the clean room. It's an overall SS304 body, which means that at the front the plate you can see is SS, and at the back also we have an SS body. You can use this for flush mounting as well as wall mounting. To the extension you can see the similar wire which is used for your normal telephone. So this can be used in your EPABX system, and it has got an analog output, which means that you can use this for speaker purpose, and you have the normal features as your regular phone carries. Very soft touch buttons available, as you can see, and there's touch pads where you can use this for easy handling, and a very minimalistic design that can be easily used by any user in those areas. Operates on 110 to 230 volts. That means it can be used in any country. Got a incoming call on auto activation mode. That means the unit will reset on a busy tone. Also you can see the auto dial option, which means that you can repeatedly dial the same number in case the other phone is busy. At the top you can see two glands. One is for the power and another is for the telephone extension. This can be connected to the EPABX system or the intercom system. Along with this clean room phone, for the clean room application we have variety of other products available, which is our manufacturing, that is the temperature monitoring devices, humidity, differential pressure, and air change per hour. You can browse our website to find the right product or talk to our expert for the right solution. Thanks for watching.